What happens if you drink a gallon of water every day? Day 1. You're running to the bathroom every 20 minutes. Your body thinks you're flooding it. You feel bloated, sloshy, like a human water balloon. Day 7. Your kidneys adapt. They're filtering like high-performance machines now. Your skin starts to clear up. Those dark circles under your eyes? Fading. Day 14. Your energy levels stabilize. No more 3 p.m. crashes. Your cells are fully hydrated. Nutrients are flowing efficiently. And your brain fog lifts like morning mist. Day 30. Your joints feel smoother. Cartilage is 80% water, and yours is now fully cushioned. That knee crack? Gone. Your digestion runs like clockwork. Day 60. Your skin is glowing. People start asking what products you use. Your metabolism is running hotter. You're burning calories more efficiently just existing. Day 90. You look 5 years younger. Your organs are functioning at peak capacity. You didn't just hydrate, you renovated your entire body from the inside out. How much water do you drink?